going to make vegan omelets. It's gonna be bomb. Here are the ingredients. Some spinach and tomatoes. All right, so you gotta turn on the stove. There we go. And now I'm gonna add some butter. All right, this is balance. All right. We're gonna let that cook up for a little bit. Check in on it in just a minute. In the meantime, let's get all the rest of our stuff ready. All right, we're gonna cut up this tomato. All right, I'm not the best at cutting tomatoes, but it does the job. All right, here's my tomatoes now. Time for, let's slice up this avocado. Okay, now I'm gonna put in spinach into my omelet. It's right there. See it? I don't know. I like a lot of spinach, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna flip it, fold it over, and then cook it a little bit longer, and hopefully we'll see what happens. I almost forgot this. We're gonna add some of the Daiya cheddar style shreds. There we go. Now let's see if this, I could record and fold this over in half. Actually, it wasn't too bad. Get that spinach. All right, so I have the spinach, the Daiya shredded cheese, the just egg, and now we're just, I don't know, I'll throw a little pepper on there. You know what helps? If there was pepper in the pepper shaker. So now that means I have to put this down. I'm gonna grind some pepper on. Well, obviously I can't do the grinding pepper and record at the same time, so I just did that. And woo! Got a little pepper on there. And now I gotta finish up the avocado. Gotta slice this up. And we should almost be done. And then it'll be time to eat. And I think I'm gonna maybe toast up a piece of toast with some of that earth balanced butter, put some jam on it, and we'll call it a day. And it is 4:42 in the afternoon, so yes, we are doing breakfast for dinner. All right, well, the omelet is being finishing up cooking. Gonna do a little, gosh, it's flipped. All right, well, that's Dave's Killer Bread, thin sliced. I love that stuff. So we're gonna cook, we don't cook bread. I'm gonna toast it. All right, toast popped up. We are gonna put a little bit of the vegan butter on here and this Skylake Ranch Pomegranate Jelly. These guys make the best line of pomegranate products around. Check them out. They are incredible. So we're gonna put that on our toast. All right, we are in the final home stretch. This is good. Let's doctor this up. My hands are clean, so cut it out, people. How am I gonna do this? Let's do a little, you know what? Let's do tomatoes first. Tomatoes. And another tomato. And I'll do some of the slices of avocado on top of that. Sorry about that. I'm not the best at doing this, guys. All right, something like that. So, and then our toast. Boom, and boom. There you guys have it. We have our breakfast for dinner right here. And add whatever extra seasoning you want on top of that. and enjoy. All right, guys, just want to thank you all for watching, and now it is time for dinner, breakfast for dinner. And maybe next time I'll make something different. And I need to do dessert, so look out for my next video when I make some desserts, because they're super good. At least I think so. All right, see you. I just finished eating. It was really good. But when you finish eating and you're cooking, that means you got dishes to do. So it's time for me to do some dishes.